Hey everyone, thank you for being here. If you have clicked on this video, maybe it's because something about art really speaks to you. And that's what I want to talk about today. Not just why art is important, but why it's important for us, for you, for me, for everyone who has ever felt something they couldn't quite but put into words. For me, art isn't just about painting or drawing, it's about expressions. It's that quiet way of saying something that words can't say. Sometimes I paint because I want to remember a feeling. Sometimes I paint because I don't know how else to let it go, let it out. And that's the thing. Art gives us a language that the heart understands better than the mind ever could. It makes the invisible part of us visible. But art isn't only for artists. It's in the way you arrange your desk, the way you click a photo, write a journal entry, or even how you notice light falling on your window. We all have that tiny spark inside us, that urge to create, to appreciate, to feel deeply. Sometimes we just forget it's there because life gets too loud. But when we stop for a moment, when we look at a painting, listen to a song, or read something that moves us, that's when we reconnect with it again. That's why I feel art is so important, because it reminds us that being human is not just about doing, it's about feeling. It gives us a space to breathe, to understand ourselves, and to connect with others. And I think if we all, in our own small ways, keep the part alive by creating, supporting, or simply appreciating, then the art within us never really dies. So to anyone listening to this, even if you don't call yourself an artist, please remember, you are still a creator. The way you think, the way you see beauty, the way you express love, that's art too. Let's never stop making things, or at least never stop noticing the one who do. Because every time we create or appreciate, we are keeping that beautiful part of being human alive. And maybe that's what art is really all about. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for listening.